Here we are at the hotel room in Nkhata Bay at the Ayala Lodge. This is the street right below our room on the second floor. Blaring music for some kind of reason, I don't know. It's a Thursday evening at 6 o'clock. I don't know what's going on there, but then here's the bathroom. I mean, it's got a sink and a toilet and a shower, and that's pretty much what you need. There's a mirror. Everything looks okay. Like the Malawi's version of a Motel 6. There's my beautiful wife. Comes with a mosquito net and a ceiling fan. One of the light bulbs is burned out, but there's the wardrobe. Place to hang your clothes. Got a nice little desk here. Beautiful hardwood. Tile floors. Concrete walls just like every place else. Nice pine ceiling. There's your room key right there. We haven't used those in America in about 75 years. Keys like that. Then there's a hallway here overlooking the lake and the parking lot. The beach down there. That's pretty much it. So we'll do another video tomorrow on the lake itself, and we'll be at a different lodge the next couple of days. So be sure to watch the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Ask any questions you like, and thank you for your time.